Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from Beautyamab. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxing, spoilers, and giveaways. We have an unboxing and a giveaway for you in today's video. We are unboxing the Ipsy Glam bag for the month of August. So we're going to give away one of these items to one of you. I don't even know which one yet. Speaking of giveaways, every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of August, it is the Natasha Denona Jubilee palette. This is mine. I have a brand new one for you. Just look in the description box down below under current giveaways. It talks about how to enter this one. All my giveaways really easy. Just watch the videos in their entirety. Be subscribed somewhere, and in here is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for today's giveaway. As far as what is on my eyes today, it is the Sydney Grace Temptalia palette. It is on the Horizon in the version light, and I mainly have the blues and pinks in here on my eyes today. So if you guys don't know, I kind of talked about it in my last Ipsy video. Ipsy has raised their prices for starting for the month of October. The Glam bag will go from $11 to $13, and the Plus will go from $25 to $28. The X will remain the same. If you are interested in checking out Ipsy, I do have a code for them. It's in the description box down below. It kind of helps you out a little bit, and it helps me out and any future add-ons that I want to do. So the code is there just for you to use. Obviously no obligation to do so, but if you do, I thank you so much. So let's get into what's in my bag. Ooh, I feel something that's not in the bag itself. So this is what my August bag looked like. A little snake skin kind of print on this. It has the bright green with the Ipsy logo here and a little snap closure. So if you see me looking down, I'm looking down at the card they enclosed here. It does say August 2021 Wonderlust. Recharge, reset, and go off the grid. Discover rare new ingredients. Go wild with Manis. Try techniques that soothe your skin and your mind. The greatest adventure starts with you. Time to unwind. The 5 new Glam bag products valued at $50+ are here for your, quote, me time. Now granted, with the being $50, some of these are deluxe size products, so kind of take that for what it's worth. The first product in here was my choice item. It is the Pixie Beauty Fresh Face Blush in Ginger Blossom. A blush that gets you glowing and nourishing your skin. Sign us up. This buildable, blendable, light diffusing powder formula helps blur imperfections while boosting radiance. Plus, it's made with vitamin E to keep your skin soft, smooth, and hydrated. Tip: use a plush brush to sweep it onto cheeks and blend. This is a deluxe size sample. The full size does retail for $18. Here's what it kind of looks like. Love how it says Pixie by Petra, kind of embossed in there. Ooh, it's really, really creamy. It's almost like a really light kind of terracotta almost shade. See if I can build that up a little bit. Yeah, if you want like a super intense look, you can. If you want just a really light look, you can do that as well. Let's put on a little bit more blush. Oh, that is gorgeous. It is really powdery, so there's kind of, I don't know if you can already see, but there's already kind of like a lot of kick up in it. That's really, really pretty. The Balm Cosmetics Meet Matte Hues Liquid Lipstick in Sincere. If you still haven't found the one, also known as liquid lipstick that lasts for hours and doesn't dry out your lips, then you're in luck. This winner is a matte, yet 0% drying, and the pink terracotta pigments will last all day and night without feathering or fading. Tip for smooth application: exfoliate your lips with a gentle lip scrub first. This is a deluxe size sample. The full size does retail for $17. I'm not a real big liquid lipstick fan, so I'm going to save that either for this giveaway, I think, or for a future one. From Shea brand Natural Lip Balm. This isn't one of the lip balms that you have to apply and then reapply seconds later. It treats lips to long-lasting moisture. Thank you, shea butter, coconut oil, vitamin E, and beeswax. It covers them in a protective coating. Tip: apply to lips throughout the day as needed. This is a full-size sample. It does retail for $8. It does have the coconut in it, so I'm going to have to pass on that one. So this will be, like I said, either in today's giveaway or a future one. From Elena, Bodro Synthetic Fluff Brush. There's a reason professional and celebrity makeup artists love to keep this brush in their kit. It seamlessly applies and blends powders, gels, and creams, eyelashes, thanks to a curved brush head and the soft bristles. Plus, it's vegan and cruelty-free. You can use this versatile brush to apply cream, gel, or powder eyeshadows. Full size, it does retail for $16. It kind of looks like this. I tried a lot of the stuff that I've tried from Ellen Beauty I really like. This is the eyeshadow duo in Sierra and Up in Smoke. Pro quality, ultra wearable, highly pigmented, and easy to blend. There's so much to love about this duo in matte, mustard, and silky gold shimmer eyeshadows. Wear them alone or layer them together to create an array of stunning eye looks. Tip: want more color payoff? Pack these shadows onto your lids using your fingers. This is a deluxe size sample. The full size version of this product does retail for $42. I'm assuming it's part of a larger palette. Ooh, those are really, really pretty. I don't know how much I would use that mustard though, so I might save this one for one of the giveaways as well. So there's definitely some products in here that I can't really use, that I probably won't use, that have 3 items, so I only really super like 2 out of the 3 that are good for me and that I can use. These others are good, I just don't do liquid lipsticks, and Balm has a coconut oil and it had that kind of yellowy shades, and yellowy shades do not look good on me. They look like death. Secret word is school, since all the schools are about ready to start. So let's give away that Shea brand, Shea Natural Lip Balm. I have a ton of them and I can't use that coconut at all. So let's do that one in today's giveaway. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. You can get bonus entries if you go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is Beautyamab, followed by the letter B. If you follow me on Twitter, it's that same Beautyamab, followed by the number 1. And if you share this video, that'll get you an extra bonus entry as well. If you do mark on the form that you did do the bonus entries, make sure that you do, because I do check. So don't fill out the form more than once. On the form though, make sure to put that secret word and your YouTube name so I can verify that yes, you are subscribed to the channel. Do not put that secret word in the comment section down below. YouTube is no way affiliated with this giveaway. This is me giving back to you to help brighten somebody's day. It is open internationally. I am though not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. So how I do my giveaways is I'll take from that Google Forms your first name and first initial of your last name, because your privacy is very important to me. I don't sell your information. Nobody else has access to it. And as soon as the giveaway is over, I go and delete all the forms. So I'll take your first name, first initial of your last name, put it into the computer, and I have this kind of spin the wheel name program. So put all the names into that, and then I'll put in there, if you have bonus entries, I'll put those in, and the wheel kind of spins and it picks the winner. Don't ask to be picked, because it does it. Let's have this giveaway go through September 10th, midnight Mountain Standard Time, and then on the 5th, September 15th, we'll go ahead and do that spin the wheel. So if you haven't subscribed to us, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all. And if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings, mark those. I want you guys to know when I upload, and I definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways. I try and do a giveaway from each of my unboxings. If you like this video, hit that like button. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other videos for you. If you have the time, I would greatly appreciate it if you were to check them out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye.